October date 20, 2023 Friday nimit Yai Rabatanza Sida State Health Society and ISDA Manipur Amadi Directorate of Health Services Manipur Punna Sinjaduna Zatha Zariba DIPR Auditorium da Pantok Zariba State level launching of National Deworming Day second round 2023 program asigi that is the Chief Guest Nangda Lengsinduna Lebire Honorable Minister Health and Family Welfare IPR Government of Manipur Honorable Sir Dr. Sapam Ranjan Singh Thoramgi Chief Guest Nangda Lengsinduna Lebire. Thank you so much, sir. Mathanda respected Sir Commissioner Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur Sri Pradeep Kumar IAS. Thank you so much, sir. Mathanda guest of honor Singh Oina Lengsinduna Lebire. Ahanbada respected Sir Director Health Services Manipur Dr. Khoirom Sasikumar Mahang Amadi respected Sir State Mission Director NSO Manipur Dr. Somorjit Ningomba. Thank you so much, sir. Sarani Pusukagachari. Lenana Pantok Sariba program state level launching of National Deworming Day 2023 second round Asigi Thoramgi. That is the Lengsin Viriba. Dignitary Singh Sinzalangjari Pigi Maikai Dagi felicitation Pangthokpagi Tanjadu Lauzari. Ahanbada Nasi Pangthok Sariba program asigi Thoramgi Chief Guest ki Phumlang da Lengsin Biriba Honorable Minister Health and Family Welfare IPR Kai Kunazariba Sir Sinzalangjari Pigi Maikai Dagi Sarala Thoramasida Sarina Biba Kai Kunabonjari Taram Noksari. Thank you so much. Mathanda respected Sir Sri P.K. Jha IAS Sir Commissioner Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur Sinjalangjari Pigi Maikai Dagi Vedogidona Kaikundabachari Taram Noksari. Mathanda guest of honor Singh respected Sir Director Health Services Manipur respected Sir State Mission Director NSO Manipur Sinjalangjari Pigi Maikai Dagi Vedogidona Ikai kumna baucha bagaloinana taram langsari. Thank you so much. State level launching of National Deworming Day second round 2023 Tharamasigi. Welcome and keynote address Bibi Nabagi Damakta Ikai kumna bagaloinana Hajari request Hajari.
State Health Society and Manipur and the Directorate of Health Services launching National Deworming Day launching unit sida mayangu ihan nahanbada nologna kiroje among langa maruena nasigi chief guest nation tuna honorable ministers Sri Sapam Ranjan who Nologchari Amashon Kiranjari. Loina yes that President Lam Thom Lam that Lenchin Duna Pomduna Lenchin Duna de Biba Sri Akwegi Pradeep Kumar Jha IAS Commissioner Health and Family Welfare Government of Manipur Hana Tarang Wokchabagaluna Nologna Kiranjari. Kumar Mangang, Director of Health and Services ki Government of Manipur ki Hana Taram. Adugalunana, ladies and gentlemen, Nolopugalunana Hana Taram Wokchabagalunana Kiranjari. Nasi apagi Pangthokadaba state National Deworming Day chahi kahi kudingi anila pangthokpani sina second round ni first round na April thadani adubu akogi first round da akogi achievement si akoi effectively cover toriba in spite of all the problems akogi labor ki issue da awa tari bakudi marakta sisu akoi 94% achieve toba effectively cover toba namje hojikna amuk akoi namuk thengnagadoriba second round gi da Nasi launching Pangthokada was this the Akoina Thingada was a Adunga Ratana Abagi ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯍꯥꯏꯌꯔ ꯑꯦꯖꯨꯀꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯕ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯞ ꯑꯥꯎꯠ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯗ꯭ꯔꯣꯞ ꯀꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯐꯕ ꯇꯨꯡꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯕꯤꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅ ꯅꯥꯒꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯨ ꯀꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯗꯤꯌꯥꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯄꯤꯕꯤꯔꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯆꯤꯟ ꯀꯣꯌꯥ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯌꯧꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛ ꯀꯟꯕꯗ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯁꯀꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯁꯥꯡꯅꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯡꯖꯔꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯥ ꯁꯣꯟꯗꯝꯅꯗꯕ ꯏ ꯋꯥꯠꯄ ꯍꯩꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯂꯥꯏꯁꯨ ꯄꯥꯕꯗꯁꯨ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯪꯕ ꯉꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯃꯁꯥꯗꯨ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯋꯥꯔꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯁꯣꯟꯊꯔꯕꯅꯤನ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯀꯣꯡꯒꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯅꯤꯡ ꯍꯟꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯅꯥꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯍꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯑꯅꯤꯔꯛ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯅꯅꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯍꯥꯝꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯍꯥꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯀꯩꯒꯤꯅꯣꯗ ꯈꯨꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯗ ꯄꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯃꯣꯠ ꯑꯀꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯅꯗꯤ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯅꯥꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯎꯞ ꯇꯣꯡꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯎꯐꯨꯟꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯈꯥꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯣꯏꯜꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯏꯟꯐꯦꯛꯁꯟꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯛꯆꯥꯡꯗ ꯆꯪꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯕ꯭ꯂꯦꯝ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯣꯡꯎꯞ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯁꯦꯟꯗꯜ ꯇꯣꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯩ ꯈꯣꯡꯎꯞ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯂꯝꯍꯥꯡ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯒ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯆꯠꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯔꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯎꯞ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯁꯗꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯅꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯆꯥꯕ ꯊꯛꯄꯗ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯕ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯐ꯭ꯔꯨꯠꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯕ ꯇꯤꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯆꯥꯝꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯆꯥꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯗꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯄ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒꯥꯏꯗꯤꯡ ꯐꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯟ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯄꯤꯕꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯂꯦꯞꯄꯒ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯕꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯕꯨ ꯁꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯛꯇꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗ ꯇꯤꯟꯖꯪ ꯀꯥꯏꯖꯪꯗꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯠ ꯁꯝꯅꯅ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯅꯥꯗ ꯌꯦꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯧꯅꯕ ꯆꯪꯁꯟꯃꯤꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯒ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯊꯦꯡꯛ ꯌꯨ
Thank you so much, respected man, Dr. Sadhana Ningthauja, State Nodal Officer, Child Health, NHS Manipur. Mapumoiba, Nekbirak Pukuting Mapu, Taram na Opiba, Loinana, Keynote Address, Pangtubiba Thoramasi, Matsang Moiba, Wafun Singh, Thanbirapa, Nambahana Nagajari, Makatsatajabasidi, Nasi Pangtuksari Bathoram, State Level Launching of National Deworming Day, Second Round 2023, Maruina, Samazabaki, Afaba, Tinjang Kaijang Daba, Angangsing, Masamao Fana, Tamnabagi Pandamda, Mapumoina Pangtubiba, Program Masigi. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯗꯣꯛꯆꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯣꯅꯔꯦꯕꯜ ꯁꯔ ꯆꯤꯐ ꯒꯦꯁꯅ ꯂꯨꯆꯤꯡꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯒꯤ ꯂꯣꯟꯆꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯅꯦꯁꯅꯦꯜ ꯗꯤꯋꯔꯃꯤꯡ ꯗꯦ ꯂꯣꯟꯆ ꯇꯧꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯥꯗꯨ ꯂꯧꯖꯔꯤ
Madam,
Loinana, angsing asilo or matungla, Kapasanan Girls Higher Secondary School Gate, Mahiroi Singh, Ahamada, Nandayam Kanchanchanu, Mathanda, Anupama, Bebam, Sanatui Mesna, Amadi, Dipti, Warsam, and Samira Pagati Mata, and Historical Review.
apa jawabin kali? Nó nhau vào không mà
Tapos na sa traditionally ayusin ahang daw next piragli nanday yung kanchansano Hazaran sa ayraga
손다
masina angan sin hindi mo na ginagawa pagpawagin manong dalay ba ang sige 400 milligram albendazole tablet. Thank you so much. Matang next magtakasari ano po mga pilong sana po yung may sama ba di konsam thank you so much. Punta next na ba di konsam
Kita arwah dalam minister kita tu. Minister kita tu. Dia tu.
ano sir na ano ba yun yung di konsam
Kau lau.
sama maganda sana po na sa ayraga ising ka tawag kayo sin biga daga
先穿到那儿。
amada ginatra mapag-copy manong daw 19 years manong balay ba thank you so much kasi pangtong sa lima program launching of the kay kuna sa pagkalunan na Haizari respected sir Director Health Services Manipur Dr. Khoirom Sasikumar mga request of Zari.
Good morning to everybody. It's a real pleasure and honor for me to join this function where our own leader, a very capable leader, the Minister of Health and Family Welfare, India, is with us. And I am also equally thankful to our Commissioner of Health and Family Welfare. And with all my due respects and regards to my colleague, Dr. N. Somorthi, State Mission Director, Additional Directors, Joint Directors, teachers, students, and friends from media. I'm very happy to be amongst you today. For clarity, let me speak bilingually. Maitero sukitang haizege, English sukitang haizege, and I want to be short also. Tin leregadi hakchang haibadi chungnagi aigi kongput wangbar nemba yangkangba muibu sidenatana mental development aigi thinking power kari sidesu sokhlle. Now it is even said that mathematical ability se society amada the prevalence rate of work infestation si helagadi society ki mathematical development si hotu su sohle high ko. Now thinking these things, actually government of India, national government, they took a very prudent step. Yamna kana busing step on low eba madudi magi nation countries dele wa pink kudimose wa ki kohinge haidana. At that time, many other nations used to laugh at us. I question no emoina Indiana to receive oiroi haidana. So today, where do we stand? Is the program beneficial? Haidui Madanga as a senior member of the service, I am the Haige. century sige horapa in the beginning of this century angang sama le rumatangda 64 angang sindi worm infestation to weba tinle in the beginning of this century. Now as on May 2023 da hojikkamai torgebu angang sama da pungani pan khadam tinle. So it is improving. It is improving substantially. 36% improvement laeva. So all the world is now looking at India again. India has done a great job, a very beneficial job in a play record. I couldn't help department ki me na I couldn't masi high school education department su I couldn't meta analysis I will to kan le kari khange bo moigi school attendance adudagi school dropout rate adudagi micronutritional deficiencies moigi su yam improve to. Yes, I do not take the privilege of projecting health services only. Hojiki ida khabam amiba student ki attendance hengale ba nutritional status de hengale is health services khati dina deba. It is health service, school education and ODF. ODF is open defecation free high program se. All marisino pulakanda I kuida Hajama Makangi change malage. Maramaduna, I'm very happy that if we launch such type of programs, the whole world will look at us as Vishwaguru and Yanatani, Equigi Nation Gi, health issue. In the coming years, it will be very good hire. However, Noigi, I build rosy pictures in Aktanatana. I also want to say where we are lacking. What is the Gasiko? How is it 28% where go? Must see single digit percentage have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. While we manage the lay and we sing a jungle double digit the lay what prevalence rates. But that seems to be a daunting thing. Maramdi aina sa Hyderabad May 2023 report say it was the study was done in 2020 da. Say maris the supong dami layaba. Ang mutatpang mamoy do bagi piba mamadala madugi probable reason asi aina koi SNO hoy kari bata haining busi masigi maramdi karino hay bata I the adult deworming kowa ama yauti. Haidi isa sumudi aina guli bizer dana deworm to thokre. Aduga ai isa de lomi ni natraga ai de sinni ne na khut handre khujin kakre ai na sak thonge isa bizere dudi ngasi mhek do halasu nomi ni lega ang bizera ne dana. This is also a very important factor moye aduna adult sisu kudung jabo phangadi deworm to thokado ni sahi ani dagina mari babu tudingi adult singsi deworm to roidi 28% du dagi nem dharakani aditegi sikhatta natana aikoi hojikti in house pet loiba muyam satna reba Mama itu dia hisap pun kang kuda mangun kahan dia, ibu jenis yang sawi mangun tu hika besi. Ada hujik dia hisu berisu imung dekai dekloi rekwa. Adana pet sing sisu di waktu tu pecah ni apa. Adana pet si di waktu bedi veterinary department sisu ekui pun pecah gini. So si toru kui di saya karaga amu pena sing terapun mangani. Then another factor is cultural factor. Like Equisi Hojikse street food haidana chabagi haina bima yamna lakheko Manipur su Lampel area adagi TM college ki maning mamangi area kadai no street food se yam thora puri pop area pe kesida now all our food to prepare to reba aduga open the way ada aina labor directorate of health services ki maya da moi street vendor tarang lebu di aina plastic ke to be umba de kare club uphelle still then the way they keep cook food is not very safe is not very hygienic and sigi part se atai mokhom de to phok to de tuna musina pura dust the obha and the sis I would did think marum pe besi lagar tasung duine pa aduna aikuina hari ba street vendor da kharage na structure thamaba edel sing shishu the warming process da somehow or other if we include and the pet sing shishu tawragadi I am sure in the near future our high health prevalence races single digit to therapon ngani atu oitar with the physical and mental development of the nation will be very good and highly visiting local java lergadi local birgadi
Bumnamako Ranjan Assistant Health Society NHM Manipur Amasung Directorate of Health Services Manipur Nasimilna Antokliba state level launching of the National Deworming Day second round tan kun nasilagina tan kun trepo tan kun trepo pantopagi forum sida the site of the Commissioner of the Health and Family Welfare Department Mingwena Kachara Ministry Pradeep Kumar Jha Mr. Waman Viramba the Director of Health Services Manipur Maki Wangoi is on health function and the Sapigiba, Mingwena Panjarabada Dr. Hoyom Sachikumar Mangan, State Mission Director NHM Manipur Dr. Somo Jagingombo, the officials of the Department of Health, Education, Social Welfare, Satra Satri Punamak, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. Ako'y health ki functions iyang payment na media kanbo so kanino na mo siya nuti sa function na tawag ay bride na kambira mo. Adubo. Ako'y na with so much importance. Yang na marulay na. I have also commissioner, director, SMD officials from the month. Ako na yang toy na programs na yang na nabaho na ribas. Sige wahan thokti. Yang na laibra in the importance of every prognosis. Nasi ako na anga na mada tablet ang official bahabi. But sige tablet si chaba kansi da. Angang di punsida, angang di well-being da. Kanal kedaw kasi. Yang na laibra. Ano binaman ko ni? Sa World Heart Day tawag Nasi ako'y deworming ito Curler kung iodine yung tawag TB ito but sige kano tawag a message should go to everyone that si panto ibagi marams ado kita magtali ako niya with so much of sincerity with so much of dedication mas ako'y team na tsaka gusto ng programa. Targeted beneficiaries yung na binamagta. As I believe, importance of hygiene. India status kamay na hygiene related sila. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan ka ganito, open defecation, free lahat sila. Health from the health indicators from the improvement realized. And it's all related. Health is the the same is a PhD department or cleanliness ki anything department or mayam ziki improvement ultimately health ki inside heavy positive and I nasiki programs in America nasitin biniba officials on the Makai appeal those in England ako'y nasiki poster ama launch tawre sige posters at every health centers or Anganwadi centers sige the posters health centers that to the level of the PHCC to health and wellness center to the posters yawnuna may damagta hona biba Anganwadi centers puna magta Anganwadi site ki yawnuna ba hona biba yawdu ba yade haruta we have to be committed in this and the yawra kandu da poster to telaga mayam the kanan ba si chana bi matautai ko schools in the yawan biba it's very important. Drives authorities. But I would like to appeal the assembly child health nodal officer, staff, support staff, UNICEF, let's make sure anywhere PHSC health and wellness center, Anganwadi center, that sige posters that visibility posters let's walk the extra mile and make sure it reaches there. Relief camps that we angang in Ladyba, sige hidak sige sa na beneficiary or we have to make sure. Across all the state, CMOs may have tie up to bureau. The directorate can take the responsibility and make sure that may have to the high centers may have to the young Nabida I appeal dosary and I'm sure we can do it. The assembly can lead the way and then make sure it reaches. Look at hostels. School hostels even coaching centers can also see beneficiary is within that identify to bureau that we can get from the education department. See is the lower most targeted beneficiaries. How we target can also it was a whopping 94% target. Let's see if we can increase that. Other than increase and then see schools expert nasai apai director sahab na haibirabdo adugi sumaina akoi tari isi ta mi si cha ba kana gani habdo schools na namana bi sin do wari libi ba yum da sakta kanza da che na be me am do su wari libi it is true the mouth word words that come from the mouth pasna si suspect of me ba duba media me personally appeal to zuri sigi handaki 1 week National Deworming Day, second round 2023. Cities are the beneficiary, targeted beneficiary. Personal media appeal to it is for our people, it is for the future of our kids. Anemic she can ultimately low in a diagnosis ultimately it is because of worm infestations and the Sanaba and the Sandal Yaw and the Sanaba, Amma came over she said, talk to Sanaraga away. My the tin the husband, but son became a river. And we all have to be careful when see programs with sincerity and with dedication. See we would be having a surveillance of whether these posters are reaching the targeted areas in the otherwise price the child We will be taking feedback. We will be asking right up to the corner, nook and corner of our state. Within these 2-3 days, maybe by the 4th day, we will be asking feedback whether the poster has reached and whether the people have, so that sige chahi kampan bogi ke nozna koi sa ke dogni ko haiba kanadi next year also koi kino tobani hena kana de doi program ji kino to bukanda and nasigi launching program ji ki aina tanza lojaraga we have many SNOs here I appeal to Zibazi. We are coming to the end of the year. I don't know whether it's in the calendar year that will have a discussion. Natraga financial year ki tauraga. Sahi is the say SNO amana taugi bathabak and the problems that we face, the particular SNO faced, duga sige akoina target hamaga kayam yogi have to let's start making a dossier. At the end of that year, whether we decided on the financial year or the calendar year, though, we'll have a sitting, we'll have a brief, I would rather call it a debriefing. Sahidugi, debriefing among the winner. Then, other than sway back, target to the Yobunga, so that next year, improvement next year, because subsequently, see departments, whoever comes, adum sige adum active in the later department in Mayana. And let's start preparing that isagi chathatiba programs book we will be having a debriefing because debriefing is next year is that we have the mistakes that we make this year the lack debriefing if we keep those, see my others who then whoever comes as a minister or whoever comes as the commissioner or the secretary, whoever comes as the director or the SMT, whatever. See planning that we are so I would like to appeal SNOs I'm sure he will take the responsibility of informing those things. What are the work we have done? And it's a easy that I'm gonna build those and it's a easy to karam target when chief ultimately that debriefing to the end of the that calendar or the financial year for rooms for improvement. So it's natural. And, let's work upon that and try and give the good service that we all have been giving. Commissioner Sapsi, so what can be an noise? He was literally behind me. So how long are you going to speak? I said, I won't speak. I know you have some very important work. And, so I have to please him also because he's the one who's give me all the knowledge. So he wants me to end soon because he wants the function to end soon. So
the importance of open defecation free, having cleaner toilets, cooking habits, personal habits, the school students that are here, the importance of personal hygiene. The person who is cooking your food has to be clean, the hands have to be clean, the vegetables, the fruits have to be washed properly, and before eating, you should also be washing your hand with soap properly. So all these are, if you put it in your daily practice, then most of these infections can be avoided, and obviously with the help of albendazole that we are going to administer to more than 9,24,000 beneficiaries, it's going to help us a long way. So I hope that we will have a very successful deworming campaign, and again I assure our Honourable Minister that he spoke about debriefing sessions and all. So we will personally at the department level, we will monitor and supervise how the program is being rolled out, so that every single beneficiary, every single person who is within the target should be attended to, should not be left out. So with these few words, I'll Wish you all again all the best, and thanks to all the school students and the parents who brought their children here for today's launch. Thank you very much, and Jai Hind.
Launching event is Lakpiriba Chief Guest Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Minister, Health and Family Welfare, Mahaki Jilla Mamatam, Kaitopitana, Hamasita, program, Sibu, launched of Viva, Amadi, Amaliam, Mahisi, Midabaki Damata, Sarabia, Hanna, I also would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the President of this function, Shri Pradeep Kumar Jha, IAS, Commissioner Health and Family Welfare, for taking out time from his busy schedule and be here to support us. Thank you so much, sir. I guest of honor ki Papamlang Ranjan Deriba Mingona Panjaramada, Dr. Hiram Sashikumar Manga, Director, Health Services na Batam Kaitopitana Mapamastala Naga, Sarna Padik Jumba, Wahisi, Kamirami Damata, Sarbusu. Harap
Kami
even asida guest of honors hoina sarup yabidina koi support of kita sarna ikunu na